All right, kiddos and parents, happy week 5, Monday. So this week we're starting as kind of a review and catch-up week for both math and science. So I want to send this out to you quickly before your kiddos get started. So I'm just going to jump right in. For math, their module today is a catch-up day. So they're going to have 2 things that they need to get done for me today. Anything on Canvas right here, they need to go over here to grades and find anything that does not have a grade by it and complete it and turn it in. And there's quite a few zeros, but it will stay a 0 until we get something turned in its place. So then second, Holt-McDougall needs to be complete on ClassLink. There are again several assignments that have not been completed by a lot of kiddos. So on your ClassLink, you're going to come up here to the top and just type in Holt-McDougall and it will pop up. It looks like this on your app selection. So click that. It'll open up to all of the assignments that you have not completed. So make them get that done for me today. I will say tomorrow we are doing, let me pull that up for us. Tomorrow the kiddos will be starting in an Imagine Math benchmark. I need them to do this as best they can by themselves. So parents, if you will please have them sit by you, that way you can have helpful reminders, hey, get to it, hey, don't forget, that kind of thing, and make sure they have paper and pencil with them, that way they can do it correctly. But I'd like them, again, to do this as much as they can by themselves, just like they would be at school, because it shows us what they've learned, not what their helper has learned, right? Obviously, if they reach out and say, hey, I need a little bit of help, how do I do this maybe? But for the most part, this is stuff that they learned at the very beginning before COVID, so they should already know it in their brain. They just got to reach in and get it out. So have them do this very independent as they can. And they're doing 10 questions a day. This is a 30-question test, so I want them to do 10 questions a day, not to push it. I want them to focus on just those 10 questions. So for Tuesday, they're starting with the first 10 questions. For Wednesday, they're doing the next 10 questions. And Thursday, they'll finish with the last 10 questions. So please have them focus. I do want them to turn in their work. So on Wednesday, for example, I've attached a work assignment. So they need to do all their work for numbers 11 through 21. So I should see 10 questions worked out on paper that they've done. And then they need to attach it here. Once they click this, it'll open up. They need to take a picture and attach it. I will do a video that day to show them or show you how to attach that picture. But for the most part, all the kids know how to attach a picture by now, being week 5 of Canvas. So they should be ready to go on that. On science, it's very similar. I'd like them to do a good catch-up week and make some stuff up. There's a few new things, but a lot of fixing and correcting some stuff as well. So for today, it's going to be the catch-up day. I'd like them to go to STEM Scopes on ClassLink and then finish things on here for Canvas that have not done. Now, obviously they can do Canvas first and make things up and then go to STEM Scopes. As long as it gets done, it doesn't matter which order. So on here, I'm going to type in STEM Scopes at the top. And it's right here is what they're looking for. As you click that, it opens up to all their assignments that they're missing, and they need to get that done, please. So today is a good catch-up day. Again, please take your breaks. You know how to work and do your stuff by now. I've graded everything. As long these research assignments are the ones that are graded as well, so everything should be graded and in there. So anything that does not have a grade below a 70, you may correct and return. Other than quizzes or tests, those are staying those grades. These grades from this week will be going up in the Skyward right now after I finish this video. Please reach out if you need help, comments, concerns. Let me know, and we will help as best we can.